Okay everyone, I have back with another honest review of this ADHD cleaning planner that you can put on your fridge. It is dry erase, which is amazing. So spring cleaning is right around the corner. So if you like to take care of cleaning and you are a list person like me and you want to be able to write it in there and cross it off once it's done, this is definitely for you. This is fantastic because it has all of these different categories. Like I said, it is dry erase, so it comes with a pen, so you can do it yourself, like daily things, weekly things, housework tips and tricks for everyone, so you can kind of get a lay of the land and clean the whole house. It's definitely for you if you like to be organized, so go ahead and check it out.